Welcome to a quarantine cooking class. And look who I got here. I had said in an earlier video that Bobby was going to be joining us. And sure enough, he came in sporting a new haircut this morning, looking as fresh as he could
cut off all my locks. It was longer than yours. You wouldn't have believed it. It was just a...
So I'm so happy. I'm so happy that they're gonna throw together this recipe, and the right word is
you gonna
throw. I'll come back with a spoon, but this recipe is so very simple and easy. So they have offered to demonstrate this one.
More words.
So I'm gonna
More
go
words.
do something else. Bye.
Mom's so funny. She
That was
says,
the longest I'm not sticking around I've ever
I know.
seen.
She says, Jamie, I'm so glad that you're in town. You and your brother can do videos and stuff for my quarantine cooking. And then she has to introduce us because nobody knows who we are.
That's the truth.
I'm Jamie. This is my brother Bobby. We're the Deen brothers.
Listen to Mom
We're
up
happy
there
to be here. Mom's over there working on another recipe. Look, y'all. This is called Georgia Caviar Salad. And try to keep up. That's Georgia Caviar right there. Y'all know what that is? Catch. It's black eyed pea.
Can't be right.
Georgia Caviar Salad is
I'm
made
going
with
to be
black eyed
honest and
pea.
tell you that I never ever saw it. I was just hoping it was going to land in my mouth.
I love black eyed peas. These are just canned peas, brother. We've served these a bunch. This is a really good picnic item. This is really nice for summer if you're having people over. And it's really super simple. Let's throw it together. You
You
want
want me
to?
to do something?
Yeah. Look,
Boom.
black eyed peas. We got a can of corn. Let's see what this. Quiet on the set, please, over
Quiet.
there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Somebody get Paula Deen to quiet down over there.
I was talking to
Can't stand it. It's not gonna get off of camera. So we got 2 cans
I'm
of black
leaving.
eyed peas.
I'm back.
2 cans of black eyed peas, 1 can of corn. We've got a little bit of chopped green pepper, which I don't use green pepper. I don't like it. I love red and yellow pepper.
Boy, have I got a recipe for you.
Now listen, this is all about colors and contrast, and that really has a lot to do with cooking. Because we're using red peppers, which I love, which are sweeter, but we already have yellow corn. What you could do is use an orange pepper. That way you're not doubling up on one of your colors. But today we're using yellow corn, green peppers, red peppers. Red and yellow and orange peppers are much sweeter than the green pepper. We got a little bit of onion here. Bobby, if you want to, that is a can of Rotel.
This is called eating the rainbow.
Yeah.
So good for you to eat all kinds of colors. And you know what? I mean, occasionally canned stuff. I like to use a lot of fresh, but canned doesn't bother me.
No.
Drain off that juice, and you know, if you're worried about that type of thing.
Or fresh frozen. Like, I love Ford hooks. And you can find Ford hook butter beans in the freezer section year round. Can't always find them fresh. And by the time I get done with them with the rice and the butter and the onions and the hot sauce, doesn't matter if they're fresh or frozen anyway.
Can't tell where they came from
Yeah.
or what they are.
Especially if I spill a little bottle of ranch on them, which is what used
That
to be
happens sometimes.
So this is crazy that I'm holding pimentas, which
wait,
is
let me gather myself.
it's crazy because we're using pimentos, which is
Red.
peppers, which I've already added. But we're gonna throw some of these in too.
Where the olives?
I've got some yellow
Olives would be
peppers
good.
in the refrigerator if y'all want those.
Now here's the juice.
Okay, Mom.
We're
Thanks.
gonna use 1 whole bottle of Italian dressing. This is 15 ounces.
If you'll take that little plastic top off, it'll flow out faster if you need for it to.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Welcome, Jamie.
like a can of tomato soup behind a softball.
I made it to 50 years old and never realized. You mean that part comes out?
It comes out.
Eating the rainbow is what my brother says.
That's what it's called, man.
So look
all that
how
beautiful
beautiful
color.
this is.
Do y'all see what I've had to put up with for?
53 years. How old are you?
Well, that ain't none of your business.
Isn't it?
I'm 73. How old are you?
Can't believe I'm 50.
How old are you, Jamie? You'll be 53.
Georgia Caviar,
In June,
y'all.
right?
Couldn't be
Monday.
Mom, I thought you were going to take this video off. Love you, bye. So you see how pretty our caviar is? This is all about color and texture here.
It's beautiful.
Now, what really, the secret to this is I like to really chill it up. So mix this up a little bit before your company comes. This is really a great side dish. And if you don't want to use as much Italian dressing, this isn't going to really soak up much. We don't have anything in there that's really going to suck up that moisture. So if that's a little wet for y'all, just cut back on the amount of Italian that you use.
It needs enough liquid for it to marinate in.
And so I would
Italian
recommend.
dressing is kind of a marinade.
Yeah.
Use it to marinate all kinds of meats
Yeah.
and chicken. And
But if you stick this in your refrigerator a couple of hours before
Yeah.
you have your party,
Uh-huh.
this is really a great side dish.
it's beautiful, I gotta say.
And when you tell folks that you're having Georgia Caviar Salad, they'll have no idea what you're talking about.
They'll say, is that catfish rub?
And then you hand them a bowl of black eyed peas with some onions, and they're good.
Bobby, would you like a spoon or a fork?
I got one.
Oh, okay.
This is really delicious.
I know.
Cheers.
And if you wanted to, you could make this fresh too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I just always thought it was real good, you know, using the canned beans.
Ain't gonna stop, are you?
Nope. Not until the good Lord tells me, stop.
This is Deen Brothers here, and we're here to tell you and show you that good food doesn't have to be complicated. This is good food. Georgia Caviar Salad. We'll see y'all next time.
Excellent.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, with that.
Thank you.
Casey was the one.
Thank you.
Because she takes this on.
Thank
every-
y'all.
like every morning. She
Thank
goes
y'all
to-
for bearing with us. Loving best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.